I've spent dozens of hours testing 4 different miniature stripping products to find out which one is the best. Come join me at the Nook and let's see what we can learn. I've tested each of these products across 6 different categories. Let's start with potency. What I mean by potency is how quickly the stripping solution is able to remove the paint. I tested this by soaking the miniatures for 30-minute intervals before scrubbing them. These short intervals allowed me to see which of the 4 products stripped the paint the fastest and which was the slowest. I continued this test for 3 hours. IPA stripped the fastest and was able to cleanly remove the paint within the 3-hour period, with Super Clean a close second. Purple Power came third, while Simple Green was a definite fourth and was barely able to remove the surface level paint in such a short amount of time. Next is efficacy, or how completely the solution is able to strip the paint. For this comparison, I looked at how much paint had been removed over the course of my 4-day testing period. IPA and Super Clean both removed around 95% of the paint from the miniatures. Purple Power removed around 90%. Simple Green was a different story. On the first miniature I tested, I removed most of the base coat, but I struggled to remove the primer. I decided to test it again on another set of miniatures that had been painted with different paints, and I saw a dramatic difference. In that test, Simple Green managed to remove around 80% of the paint. So averaging the results of my tests, I'm giving Simple Green 2 stars for efficacy. Next is soak time. This is essentially how long the miniature needs to remain in the stripping solution between scrubs before you can reach the final result. This goes hand in hand with potency. The faster the solution is able to loosen the paint, the sooner you can scrub away the loosened layers. IPA and Super Clean were both able to reach the final result within 24 hours. Purple Power reached its final result after 48 hours, while Simple Green took the full 4 days of testing. Scrub time is how long it actually takes to remove the loosened paint once you take the miniature out of the solution. This is also affected by potency. The more aggressively the solution loosens the paint, the easier the paint is generally going to be to remove. I found that IPA, Super Clean, and Purple Power all fell within roughly the 2 to 3 minute range when it came to scrubbing. Simple Green required quite a bit more scrubbing. I also noticed a difference in how the paint came off. With the other 3 products, the paint tended to come away in larger pieces or clumps. With Simple Green, the paint came away much more finely, almost as if the individual pigments had separated into tiny particles, rather than peeling away from the miniature in larger pieces. Next is reusability. I tested this by placing several miniatures into the same solution sequentially over a period of several days, and then observing how much this affected the stripping performance. Surprisingly, IPA was affected quite a bit. By the 3rd or 4th miniature, I found that it had dramatically lost its ability to strip the paint effectively. Super Clean and Purple Power maintained their potency throughout the test, even though the solutions became quite discolored. Simple Green was different again. The solution didn't become nearly as discolored, and it continued to maintain its stripping ability throughout the test. For price, I compared the cost per ounce of each product, using Walmart prices as of the date of this recording. Purple Power was the cheapest, while Super Clean was the most expensive. So when it comes to picking a winner, it really comes down to what you value most when stripping miniatures. In my case, I personally don't have a problem waiting a couple of days, and I would rather save money that I can spend on buying more miniatures. So I've chosen Purple Power as the clean winner. It produces a final result that's very close to the more potent products, while also being the cheapest of the 4. And because the same jar of solution can be used on more than 20 miniatures while still maintaining adequate potency, your money goes a long way. The main drawback is that you have to wait 2 days and scrub the miniature every 12 hours, but in my opinion, that's a fairly minor trade-off for the cost savings. If you want to see how these miniatures were stripped, the links to those videos are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, consider subscribing. New videos come out weekly, and if there's a guide you'd particularly like to see, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.